Akusikokuthoma uMasondo noMathabatha abalula isikhundla sinye.
On the 3 candidates from the province, it means the province is growing. As the PEC, we want to appreciate that.
Abakimkhanyo bathi ukuphakanyiswa kwegama likaMasondo kudosa phambili malunga we-ANC evekasekela umbangisani kaMathabatha uDixon Masemula ogada aphalisana noMathabatha econferenceni yesifunda yamhlapha nje. uMasemula nabamsekelako balove emakhethweni. Ngokuya ngosibalo sabenyuliweko uMathabatha nguye okuhamba phambili. Omunye umcozululo wezepolitiki ukholelwa ekutheni uMasondo kufuze aphume kulombango wesikhundla.
In particular Masondo, I would suggest that he should withdraw because the number of nominations that he has received are by far less than those received by Mathabatha.
uMathabatha uqinisekise ukuthi uMathabatha okwethula inkulumo yelanga emnyanyeni we-ANC kwaZulu-Natal ipelavekeli wachitha nezwango batsho ethi lobu bufakazi bokuthi ikomidi yesifunda ayisasekela ukuthi uRamaphosa angenele isikhundla sokuba mengameli kwehlandla lesibili.
You must understand that lobbyings are open up until to the conference, to the last minute where we will be voting. So lobbyings are there. So I seated here. I don't know whether the delegates from Limpopo who will be going to conference, they will be persuaded by the delegates from KZN.
uBhejani Chawuko vele Limpopo wenyule esikhundleni sokuba mphathi wemali zehlangano.